For experiment 3 of lab 9, I'll be demonstrating the house alarm that not only has memory but requires a passcode to reset. The push button layout is the same as the previous experiment. We have the front and rear doors, the window, and motion sensors. Armed and away are on the same switches. The only difference is the clock signal is on the third switch, and the 4-bit passcode input is on the last 4 switches. For this scenario, the alarm is armed and the occupants are away. If we open the window, the alarm activates on the next clock cycle. If we close the window, the alarm stays activated throughout clock cycles. If we enter the passcode, which is 1101, 1101, then on the next clock cycle, the alarm will be reset.